A very good morning to everyone. I'm Benson from Singapore, and this is my CS50P final project titled CS50 Registration and Login. As from the name itself, this is a program that actually allows the user to register and subsequently log in into their account. These are the requirements that I set for the registration itself, and these are the requirements for the login. And these are the libraries and the functions that I use for my coding. Now I'd like to show you how the program actually works. So now in the VS Code terminal, once we enter register in the command prompt, we can actually create an account. Let's see what happens if we were to use an invalid email. As you can see, the program will actually input invalid email. Let's now try an valid email. But a password that does not meet the requirement. As you can see, the program actually prompts us that this password does not meet the requirement. Let's now try to actually create an account that actually works. As you can see, the account is now being created. Before I go into logging in, I actually like to show you how the program actually stores the data of those accounts. So the data of those accounts is actually stored in this CSV called accounts.csv. For the username, it's actually stored as the email itself. As for the password, as you can see, it's not the original password the user input. It's actually being hashed by bcrypt to ensure that the password is being stored securely. So now let's try to log in and see whether this works. So now login is initiated. I will now try to key in the correct username, which is the email. Let's try a password that is wrong and see whether the program will actually allow us to log in or not. As you can see, the program actually prompts us that it's an invalid username or password. Now let's try to log in using the correct username and also the password. As you can see, login is now successful, and the program actually uses Counsay to wish us welcome to CS50. Before I end my presentation, I would actually like to take this opportunity to thank David and his team for creating this wonderful course. And thank you everyone for watching, and have a good day ahead.